Y'all didn't come here to help.
You don't get a white shirt, you run.
So I ran, yes, because I'm scared.
That's smart, dude. Real smart.
I'm scared.
You already searched him?
Yeah. You know what y'all, do you know what y'all officer told me? If I'm scared of y'all, run and come to the station.
There's no reason to be scared, okay? Ma'am, I'm not going to shoot you. Have you drank at all tonight?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
In Hollywood. I actually have an audition that's due to be turned. That's mine. That's what
You
I
haven't drank. You just told me you didn't drink at all.
I didn't drink that. I did
You're
not.
just carrying around a almost
That's
empty
just
bottle.
the last that I have for my last event.
All right.
On December 8th, 2025, officers with the Normal Police Department conducted a traffic stop after observing multiple traffic violations. What initially appeared to be a routine stop quickly escalated when officers discovered a stolen firearm inside the vehicle, leading to the arrest of 3 individuals on multiple weapons-related charges.
Hello. I'm Officer Woodring with Normal Police Department, pulling you over tonight because of your rear registration light. It's not on, and then your left-hand turn out of the right-hand lane up here. So when you turned onto the lane,
Link on, but okay.
you turned it on, and then you turned out of the right-hand lane.
To the left hand, and then I turned in here.
Yeah, but it was all one fluid motion. You didn't like change lanes and then turn in here.
Okay, here go my registration, and I don't know which one is the insurance.
I see the AAA there.
Okay.
I'll take your driver's license, the registration, and then I got to look at your AAA.
I don't know which one is which one. But this the insurance, this is my mom's car.
Okay.
So, do you want to take all these, or which one do?
No, I just want the valid insurance. I see both of those expired in August of 25. It's the same card.
She have the right one. We have
Who?
insurance.
Your mom does?
Yeah.
Can you give her? I got to see valid insurance before I let you go. Where are you guys coming from?
We were just going to pick up her, and that's it.
Where are you coming from, though?
I just told you we were just going to pick up her, and that was it.
Yeah, but
So,
where
and then
but
that
where are
was
you
it.
coming from?
I just told you we was going to pick up her, and that was it.
Okay. Have you guys had anything to drink or smoke tonight?
No, I don't smoke or drink.
No? Okay. Does anybody in here smoke? I can smell cannabis.
No. Do you smell cannabis? No.
I do. When I was walking up, you could smell it. None of you guys have even a little bit amount of personal?
Come on, man. No.
Nope.
No. No.
All right. Your mannerisms and stuff are very odd. One, you're kind of slurring your speech. You said you haven't drank or smoked anything. Okay, do you typically slur your speech when you talk?
How? What is slurring to you?
Okay,
What did I
and
say
then
that's
again,
slurring?
so you're like not following my questions very well. I asked where you're coming from. You repeated that you were coming here to pick up.
Where I'm coming from? What do I got? Why do I have to tell you what I'm coming from?
Okay. All right, you guys hang tight for me real quick, okay? Why did you come here? You just said you came here.
Ticket, bro.
Do you know where you're at?
Or yes, I know. Why would I not?
Do you know what street you're on?
It don't matter. It don't matter.
Okay. Why did you pull into this house? If I walked up to this house and asked if they know who you are, would they know?
Our ticket, unless we got a ticket, did we do anything wrong? You said we put over.
Yeah, your registration light and then your failure to signal 100 feet prior to turning.
But I put on my turn signal. You say I didn't.
you hit your left turn signal.
Listen, and we gonna go to court about
Okay.
that because I put on my turn signal. You say I didn't. Okay.
Okay.
Like okay.
Okay. All right, you guys hang tight for me real quick, okay? All right, Mayshawn, I'll just have you stand at the front of the car here, man. Just be careful. It's slick. There's like ice right here. All right. So I can, like I said earlier, I can smell cannabis coming from the car. If you got a little bit of personal use cannabis, or if you have knowledge that any of your passengers.
Ain't no cannabis coming from the car. You can't smell no cannabis coming from the car. We just picked her up, but none of that.
Okay. Do you ever transport weed in your car?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
I'll have you stand here, put your hands on the hood of the car, okay?
Do you have anything on you, man?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets that'll stick, poke, stab me, or hurt me?
No, I don't.
Okay.
And I don't consent of a search. So.
Okay. You don't have to consent right now, okay?
Why do I? But what
it's
do
a
I
probable
search
cause
for?
search because of the odor of cannabis from the car.
It ain't no odor. It ain't no.
Put your hands on the car, okay?
It's either we do it out here or you get put in handcuffs and in a car. So it's up to you.
But what did I do, Dave?
Because you're not understanding what we're saying. We're
But I'm
telling you
saying, why
that
is y'all searching me though?
because we explained we can
This from the car.
It ain't no odor. It ain't no.
Put your
odor
hands on the
search.
car, okay?
It's either we do it out here or you get put in handcuffs and in a car. So it's up to you, man.
But what did I do, Dave?
Because you're not understanding what we're saying. We're telling you
why
that
is y'all searching me though?
because we explained we can smell the odor of cannabis.
It ain't no odor.
We can
of
debate
cannabis.
it. It doesn't matter. We're going to search the car. So you're either going to be compliant and stay out here, or you're going to go in handcuffs and go in the back of the car. That's the choices.
That's great.
Dude, we're not a PC search. How's it going, man? Were you just on the phone with 911?
Yeah.
Okay, trying to get a hold of a sergeant.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I'm afraid. I don't know what's going
I got you.
on.
All right, there's no reason to be afraid, man. So I don't know if he explained it to you. We're just gonna search the car because I can smell cannabis coming from the car.
There's
So
no cannabis in the car, bro.
okay, and if there's not, then that's that. I can't
Can we
take your
wait
word
till
for it.
white
Okay.
shirt come?
No, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah,
Can you step out of the car for me? I'm gonna have you step back to this front of this first squad car. All right?
We can't wait till your white shirt come.
No.
Well, I just talked to them, and they said your white shirt is on the way. So.
Okay. He just came over the air in my radio and asked us what was going on, so he's not on his way right now. Okay.
But what I'm saying is, you don't have no probable cause to search the car.
Like I said, the odor of cannabis.
You said you smell cannabis. There's no
Okay.
cannabis in here.
I'm gonna have you step out of the car. Okay, man.
No, they put me in handcuffs.
Okay.
Hey, bro, can you help
987. You can pick it up. All right. I'll have you stand in the car. Okay. Stay here. Don't get out of the car.
Do you guys live here?
No.
Just stay up against the car, man. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm finna get in the car.
No, you're not getting in the car. I don't
Why
know.
we not getting in the car?
Okay, that's it. Just chill out, man. What are you doing? What are you walking around for? I told you explicitly to stand by the car.
But y'all doing this illegally.
Okay, so you're gonna go in handcuffs.
Wow.
Stop.
No, they
Stop.
put me in handcuffs.
Stop. Stop,
Hey,
dude.
bro, can you help him? Ah! Help!
Stop resisting.
Help!
Stop resisting. You're gonna get
Help
put on the
me!
ground.
Can y'all
Okay.
start recording, please?
Stop. You're getting put on
Can
the
y'all
ground.
start recording,
You got it.
please? They pulling us over for no reason. Can y'all start recording, please? Please help me.
All right, I'm good here.
Help! Help! Help me! They pulling us over for no reason.
Mayshawn, relax.
Listen, they pulling us. Can y'all please record?
Fighting with one.
Please, y'all doing this for no reason.
Hey, we
bro.
got one run. Okay, you got no. Stay. Carme.
Get on the ground.
Hands behind your back. Carme in college. Where we have him. Good job catching charges, buddy.
F***ing stupid.
Wait, why is y'all messing with us?
Just be quiet.
We didn't do nothing.
Just be quiet.
You hurt, man?
I'm scared.
Busted
You're
your
scared?
ass.
Yeah,
All right.
scared.
Roll him into your side.
Actually, you got gloves on.
Yeah.
Scared.
About what?
The fuck did you pick up back there?
I didn't pick
What
up
you drop? You
nothing.
dropped something on the ground.
No, didn't I fail? You see me fall like you? I'm so fucking scared, man.
Relax.
Maybe running isn't the best idea.
What am I else I'm supposed to do?
Cooperate,
I
comply.
called your white shirt.
That's smart.
I called your white
Yeah,
shirt.
good job, Miss Houston 911.
Put your knees up.
Hey, you gotta pick me up, bro. 'Cause I can't put my knees up.
Yes, you ran from me. You did real good at that. Stand up.
Come on, man. You got it.
I'm scared, man.
You got cake.
Why is y'all doing this to us? What did we do wrong to y'all? We did nothing wrong to y'all. I'm scared. I called y'all white shirt. Y'all didn't come here to help.
You don't get a white shirt. You run
So
from the
I
traffic
ran.
stop?
Yes, because I'm scared.
Smart, dude. Real smart.
I'm scared.
You already searched him?
Yeah.
You know what y'all... Do you know what y'all officer told me? If I'm scared of y'all, run and come to the station.
It's the worst
That's
advice
what
I've
they
ever heard.
told us. Run and come to the station.
Now you're going to jail, so
Y'all gotta help me, bro.
Yeah,
I
watch
can't
it.
stand up in this
Put your
ice.
head forward.
There you go.
There you go.
God damn it. I'm scared,
All
bro.
on tape.
Well, you're fine, man.
What?
Can you come around and help with the seatbelt? It's all locked up. Why don't you hear be audio video recorded? You hurt? You need an ambulance?
Yes.
Okay. Where you actually hurt at? Because we're not going to waste people's time with that.
My ribs.
Your ribs hurt?
Folks. My f***ing arms is tight as hell.
That's handcuffs, man.
I gotta throw up.
It's still locked up.
Come on.
Yeah.
Can I throw up? Can I throw up?
Well, let me get out of the way, bro. So, what do you want?
My ribs.
Yeah, that's not an answer. Do you want an ambulance or not?
Y'all gotta loosen these cuffs.
Okay, well, we can work on that, but you're not answering my question.
Can y'all please just put my arms in front of me?
Absolutely not. No. Yes or no, do you want an
can't breathe.
ambulance?
I can't breathe.
Do you want an ambulance?
Come on. The ambulance, man.
So no?
Just get me out of the back of this mother.
Well, that won't be for a little bit, so.
Okay, ma'am, I'll have you hop out of the car for me, okay?
Yes, sir. Can I get my things with me?
What's that?
Can I bring my stuff with me?
You can leave everything in the car for now, okay?
I'm so scared.
I know. Just hop out of the car. Do they have drugs or something on them?
No, they don't
Okay.
have anything. I have my stuff with me. I have
Okay.
all my stuff with me.
Okay.
And I don't live here. I'm not from here. I'm from Peoria, Illinois. And I have all my stuff with me. I have my cannabis, but they don't know that I
Be
have.
careful, there's ice on this road.
You hear me, sir? What's your name, sir?
You guys keep going east of, or west of here.
You hear me, sir?
Hold on, I'm talking to them.
Can I tell you?
Yeah, I'll have you hop out of the car, okay?
I have my cannabis in my bag because I work right across the street from the dispensary, but I haven't been smoking. But that's probably what.
Okay,
you
that's
said.
fine. Listen,
But
you're
they
not
don't
really
know
in any
that.
trouble right now, okay?
But I'm telling you, this is my bag. And it
That's
has,
the blue bag there?
Yeah, this is mine and this is mine.
Okay.
And it has my cannabis in it right here.
Okay.
I have a 7 of me. They just picked me up from my mom's house. I cannot afford any of this. I'm a professional fashion model signed
I
in
got you.
Atlanta and Hollywood.
I got you. I don't need you to explain all that right
I'm
now.
so scared.
Ma'am, I can't have you explain all. Do you understand what's going on? You have a guy that bailed.
I don't know
He's
what's
fighting with
going
us
on.
back here. Okay, we're not worried about you right now, okay?
I'm just telling you that this is mine.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do you know his name? They just said that you're his boyfriend.
You mean girlfriend?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I just met them.
You don't know any of them.
No, I just met them.
I have a hard time believing that.
I
Why were
just-
they saying that you're his girlfriend?
Because I just started talking to him. I just started dating.
Okay. So you don't know his name at all?
No, I don't know him.
Okay.
I'm not from here. I'm just visiting. I'm gonna get my stuff. I'm freezing.
Hold on. You're not free to leave, okay?
I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm
Yeah,
gonna get
leave
out.
everything in the car. Everything stays in the car. We can address what's yours later, okay? I appreciate you being honest with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't want to leave my stuff and then you guys have to take. I have to do hair in the morning.
Okay, we're not gonna let you go without your stuff. Just leave
Okay.
everything in the car right now. It's got to be searched.
Can I put? I'm saying you can
Put
search.
everything in the seat of the car and
I'm
step
so
out.
scared.
Okay,
I've never
there's
been
no
through
reason to
anything
be
like
scared,
this in
man.
my life.
I understand. Leave everything in the car and hop out for me, okay?
I'm so scared.
Okay.
I'm like literally. So
I understand. I'm gonna work with you, okay?
Yes.
If you need to put your coat on, put your coat on. But
I cannot be in anything like this. I am.
I know,
under
I know.
Contracts. I will lose everything.
I got you. I don't think you're gonna be in any trouble here,
Sure.
okay? Yes. I just
My-
need you to take a deep breath for me and just listen to what I say,
I
okay?
have my liquor in my pocket too.
Okay.
But
Leave
I
that.
haven't been drinking, and I don't
Is it
want
open?
them- yeah, I don't want them to get in trouble
Okay.
for anything.
They're not gonna be in
I
trouble.
don't want
It's
them to get in trouble for my stuff.
okay.
because
They're
I'm
not going to.
scared.
You're admitting to all of
Okay.
it. So if anybody would get in trouble, it'd be you. And I just explained to you that that's not gonna happen, okay?
Okay. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm
so scared right now. Should I call my mom and dad?
10-4. It's just me.
Sir, what's your name?
No, you can't call anybody yet.
What's your name?
10-4. My name is Officer Woodring.
Okay.
Ma'am, I need
wanna
you
tell
to step
what
out of the car. You're going to be
I found
searched.
Okay, I found my wallet. That's what I. When
Okay,
you guys
can
were
you
just
stop
going-
reaching in all your pockets? Step out of the car for me, okay?
Can I pull my wallet out?
No. Step out of the car.
He has my ID in it.
Ma'am,
I'm
get out of the
scared.
car. There's no reason to be
I don't
scared,
wanna
okay?
do anything.
Ma'am, I'm not going to shoot you. Okay, step out of the car. Do you want me to take...
Anything. I have really bad panic attacks.
Okay. I need you to step out of the car, miss. Leave your purse.
Okay.
Step out of the car for me.
I'm so scared.
Step out of the car.
What is going on?
Miss,
I'm getting out. I'm just
Okay.
panicking. I'm panicking.
you're okay.
Please bear with me, okay? I'm having a panic attack.
Miss, please,
I'm
step out of the car.
I'm
Okay.
just shaking.
All right, step out of the car, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to have you stand at the back of this car. Okay. So the brown purse is yours, the blue suitcase?
Yes.
Okay. Can I have you step back to this?
Okay. Hey. Hi. I'm so scared.
How do you pronounce your first name again?
Lataya.
Lataya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll have you put your phone. What I'm going to do is a
I'm
quick
shaking,
search
guys,
of you, okay?
Because I'm just like panicking. Oh my
got
God,
you.
I've never been
So
through
you-
anything like this in my life.
By the
I'm a
custody that was
professional
fighting with
fashion
us is
model.
in that squad.
Okay,
so if you want to,
the different ran.
yeah, the
Okay, there were 3 total. Okay.
yeah driver is in the car there.
I'm freezing cold, guys.
Okay, I understand.
What do you want me to do?
I'm gonna have you face the car, put your hands on the car. Okay.
Can I record this just for my safety, sir?
If you would like to record it, go ahead.
'Cause I never been-
my camera's recording
Okay,
as well.
great. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm shaking.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I've never been.
Have you drank at all tonight?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Have you?
But I do have my liquor.
Okay, ma'am. Put your hands on the car. Okay. Then I have you spread your legs out just a little bit. Okay.
Guys, I'm so scared.
So you
I've
don't know
never been
Mayron or Mayshawn at all?
No. Who?
These guys.
Guys,
No, I don't know them.
Okay.
how'd you get in the car with them?
I just met them. I'm not from them. I'm visiting.
Okay, but they were driving?
Yeah. I wasn't driving. I know this is not a good look.
Not when one fights and one runs. No, it's not.
I'm a professional fashion model. I can't get into any trouble like this. I'm signed in Atlanta and Hollywood. I actually have an audition that's due to be turned. That's mine. That's what
You
I was
haven't drank. You just told me you didn't drink at all.
I didn't drink that. I did
You're
not.
just carrying around a almost
That's
empty
just
bottle.
the last that I have
Okay.
for my last event.
All right.
You guys can test me and everything. I'm not drunk at all. That's what I was telling you about.
That's your.
The end of that blunt.
joint?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be
You smoked
completely
that tonight?
honest. No, I didn't smoke it right now. I smoked it way earlier.
Did these
in my
guys know
mom's
that you
garage.
had-
No, they didn't even know I had any of this.
Okay.
They didn't know anything.
Okay. I'm gonna put your purse back in this
Yes, sir.
jacket. Okay. We're gonna leave that alcohol right there
Okay.
for now. Can I have you take this jacket off, please?
Yes, sir. They didn't even know I had any of that.
Okay. Now you put your hands back on.
Okay.
Do you have anything
That's
in
the
this
leftover
jacket that's gonna
bottle
stick?
I had from my mom's house from Thanksgiving.
Anything that's going to stick him or hurt him?
No, sir.
Okay.
Just got this Walmart today, $11.
Detainee in that car. If you just wanna, I'm gonna search this. So if you just wanna keep an eye on him.
Here, I got that.
Could you get my bag too? Because my
Yeah.
bag has my marijuana in it.
Okay. But at this point, you're not free to leave. Okay. Do you
I'm
understand
not
that?
gonna go
Okay.
anywhere.
We're not gonna
I'm
put you in
scared.
any squad cars or anything unless you want to because you're cold.
Hell no. I'm cool. Guys,
Okay.
do what you guys gotta do. I'm just saying this
Okay.
blue bag
I'll have
is
you go
mine.
stand back towards
Yeah.
the road.
Okay.
Is there anything else in there that is yours that we need to know about? You told me about the weed that's in the blue bag,
Yep.
and then the purse is yours.
Yes, sir.
What else in there is yours?
The blue bag in the purse.
Okay. All right. Can you go stand by with this officer over
Yeah.
here, Officer Arjona?
Where? Right here? Okay.
The portion of the body cam footage showing the officer discovering a firearm inside the vehicle has been blurred as the case remains under active investigation. All 3 individuals were taken into custody without further incident. According to reports, they now face multiple charges, including possession of a stolen firearm and other weapons-related offenses. Authorities have not released additional details as the investigation remains ongoing. This incident serves as a reminder of how quickly a routine traffic stop can escalate into a serious situation. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This footage is presented for educational and informational purposes only.